Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on the device page you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 8 active. Now scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair to confirm. The smart band will be removed from the app, as you can see from the device page. You can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see XIAOMI Band 8 active on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon right next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap Forget Device. Then close the settings. As you can see, the band also reset to the factory default settings, which is normal. Okay, and that's how you unpair the smart band from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.